Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. vSAN virtual storage area network. It is a type of network. So we will discuss about it in 60 seconds by Sadil Isai, network and vSphere administrator and virtual instructor, 8 Nanotech X and founder of Net Plus Virtual. So vSAN virtual storage area network is a type of a network. It is a type of a virtual network. Is a technology we can say that enables virtualized storage for computer systems, and it is a VMware solution as well for virtual storage, which is known as VMware vSAN. It allows for the pooling of storage resources across multiple servers to create a shared storage infrastructure. By combining the storage capacity of multiple servers, vSAN provides increase, increased storage performance, flexibility, and scalability. It is commonly used in virtualized environments such as data centers or cloud computing or virtualization or private cloud or public cloud to optimize storage utilization. Obviously, it is used for storage utilization and simplify management of storage resources. Through vSAN, you can manage your storage resources very simply and in a general way.